Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you wonder what your pet does all day while you're gone like I did, you're going to love this camera from TreatLife. Look how clear this picture is, and I can call him from within the app by just pushing this microphone button. Lobo, do you want to eat? Of course, that makes him come running. Hey, leave it. It took him a while to realize where my voice was coming from, but he was catching on. Say your prayers. Amen. This has been such a fun tool to play with, but also gives me lots of peace of mind when I have to be away from my dog. Also, this motion tracker is really cool because whenever there's movement, it picks it up and I can see exactly where he is. Even though, to be completely honest, he's usually just laying in his bed, but it just makes me so happy to just check in on him and know that he's doing all right. And who doesn't want to be able to see their cutie all day long? On a really practical note, this camera came in super handy a couple weeks ago when we had an earthquake and I was at work and I could just check in on the camera and make sure that everybody was doing all right. The app makes it really easy to use, and I love taking this camera on all of my pet sitting jobs. That way I can keep an eye on all the animals even when I'm away. So if you feel the need to check in on your pet or you're just curious to see what they do while you're away, you're going to love this camera from TreatLife. And that's my point of view.